Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track a ride on the Detecht application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And after that you should tap on this second button in the middle of the screen and then click on track a ride down below. After that you should set where do you want to go at the top, so type it into the search bar, and then you can select from the results that will appear here, or you can also select a point from the map and then click on the start ride button. You should tap on go to settings to allow the application to have access to your location. So tap on the first button, location, and click on either while using the app or always. Go back to the app and then you can tap on the start ride button in the middle or down below, and after that here you can find your map, and if you are done, tap on the pause ride button down below and click on end if you are done. So your route will be saved. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.